Good afternoon. This is day 3 of our project for tax problems. Our one we're going to go through today has to do with inequalities, and it's about the Smith family vacation. They have budgeted $2,000 for their vacation. They decided that their budget consisted of $800 just for traveling expenses and then $75 per day for other expenses. And it says which inequality represents the number of days X that the family could have stayed on vacation. Well, before we bring up the answers, let's see if we can come up with some pertinent facts. 1, how much money are they going to be spending? Well, they put out $2,000, okay, and they can't spend any more than that. So we know that that's going to be less than or equal to. They can spend $2,000, but they cannot spend any more. So we're talking about less than or equal. That's a pertinent key fact. We go to 800. 800 is a one-time. So there's no change in that. That's just going to be 800 as a constant number. The last thing that is a per day. That is the very key word right there. It says $75 per day, which means that's going to be our variable or our changing thing that's going to determine the number of days X that we spend on vacation. So we've got our 3 pieces, and we're going to put those 3 together. So let's go back over our answers. We'll leave it. Let's go back in and see if we, as we put this through, what the answers would be. First of all, we have 800, and what does the sentence says? It says the travel costs and. And means to do what? It means add together. So we're going to have to put those 2 together. So we have the $800 and the per day cost, and that's going to be our equation that we work through to say less than $2,000. So the number of days that we would work out through that, depending on how much money you have. Questions? Thank you.